nobody will stop us, not The Hague or anyone else. It's a real tweet from Benjamin Netanyahu. But for Israel, this disregard for international law is par for the course.
Israel doesn't care about international law. Israel doesn't care. Why? Because Israel is never, ever, ever held to account.
Back in 2004, when the International Court of Justice ruled that Israel's wall in the West Bank was illegal and violated Palestinians' human rights, they simply rejected the ruling. Now, even as it defends itself against allegations of genocide brought by South Africa at the ICJ, Israel has responded by saying that South Africa is operating as the legal arm of Hamas. And no matter the top UN court's decision, Netanyahu says, Israel will continue its war on Gaza. Since the UN began calling for Israel to show restraint in Gaza, Israel has been openly demonizing the UN, accusing the body of anti-Semitism and of supporting Hamas. When the UN General Assembly called for a ceasefire last month, Israeli officials rejected it. Israel has long continued expanding its illegal settlements, despite the UN's resolutions and condemnations over the years. For decades, legal rulings and critiques from the ICJ, the UN, Amnesty International, and Human Rights Watch have been met with the same tactics. South Africa's case at the ICJ could be a turning point after endless impunity. But will the international community have the backbone to enforce justice?